Hey guys, what you're going to learn today is how to look at another YouTube channel's videos or the channel itself and to see what's working for them marketing wise, and then how to easily duplicate it so that you can get more organic views and grow your YouTube channel, grow your brand, whatever you're trying to do. It's really simple to do. I use a Chrome extension to do it. I just want to give you a quick tutorial. It's been really helpful in helping me grow my channel and get more views, and I think it'll do the same for you. So let's say that you're interested in selling coffee online and teaching people how to do that, or building that brand, growing it out. So what you want to do is type in sell coffee online, right? Which is what I've done here. And then we start getting our top results. Not bad, some of these results, but if we look at really the successful ones, I mean, 20,000 views in 11 months. So they might be doing somewhere in the ballpark of 2,000 views a month. That's pretty good. So if we click on that and we go to look at that video, what you're going to see, and what you're going to see over here populate is from my Chrome extension called Tubebuddy. And there we go. And what's fascinating about this is they didn't do everything 100% right, but they've got an SEO score of 100. So it kind of gives you that in the video analytics. But what I want you to see is you kind of go down. It's going to talk to you about the best practices, right? Did they create a high resolution thumbnail? Do they have info cards added, an end screen added? Did they pin a comment? It says check mark. So let's roll down and see. Went past it right here. Look, they pinned their own comment, which is what you want to do if you didn't know that, right? So it's kind of a checklist to help remind you the things that maybe you did or you didn't do. Didn't like it on Facebook, so they should have clicked here, shared it, and liked it on Facebook. They added captions, comments hearted, they went back and did it, and then adding chapters. So you can look up a video on how to do that real quick. So right here in the description, they can put at what point, you just put a little time frame in here. There's a whole nother video on, I'm not going into it, but it shows at 1 minute and 16 seconds you change topics and start talking about this, and then at 2 minutes and 36 seconds you start talking about how to do this, and it just breaks down the video, and somebody can come in and click it and jump right there. It's hard for me to pick this video apart because they do have 100 SEO ranking. They've done 20,000 views in less than a year. But I will tell you, hopefully they're making money from this because they've got a lot of links going out. I know that YouTube rewards when we don't have links going out. They want videos that keep people on the platform. So whenever you put these in here and somebody clicks and leaves, that's going to lower you in the algorithm. So I would be careful with this. But if it's your bread and butter and you're really making money from it, they've got 47,000 subscribers. They probably are. In the beginning, I would not recommend putting links that take you out. I mean, they've got a lot of them. So I definitely would stay away from that. But I would follow this list. Now, if we look at the tags that they put in, hopefully you're tagging your videos. And then you can look at the search rankings of where they're showing up. So if somebody searches for coffee business, they are showing up. This video is number 2. Selling coffee online, which we look for, they're showing up, and these can vary like moment to moment, 1, 2, 3, but it's pretty general, pretty accurate most often. Selling coffee online, number 1. Coffee e-commerce, number 1. Look at all these number 1s they're showing up at. Top 10 there, number 2, number 1, top 5. Top 10 with a 6, a lot of number 1s. This is a highly effective video right here. They've done a lot really well. So just by using that extension, you can see you kind of get a to-do list. You get to see what is working for them as far as tagging it. Then you can simply hit copy all of those, or maybe take out the one that wasn't working, and then copy it to a clipboard, take it over in the next window, and paste it in your video tags. Something else they've done really well that I don't see enough people doing is they've got here in the title, selling coffee online, 10 steps to sell coffee beans. They probably have named the thumbnail this, the actual video this, then they put it here as the title, and then look, they make it the very first line in the description. That is all things you want to do. I also would try to make sure that that phrase is in my comments over here. I have other videos on that. But selling coffee online, selling coffee online, selling coffee online. Again, the thumbnail and the video are probably named the same thing. The video file, the thumbnail file, selling coffee online 2021, or selling coffee online, however they've got it set up. So they've done obviously really well on that. So I will break my own rule and link to Tubebuddy below. If you want to go check that out, there's a free version. I use an upgraded pay version. I think I pay about $9 a month for that. So if you click on that affiliate link that I'll provide down below, you can go over and at least start free and start playing around with this. It's really helpful on determining what you should be titling your videos and what hashtags you should be going after, and then looking at your competition and seeing where they're finding success, what hashtags are they using, what titles are they using, and then you could just take them or modify them and make them their own. Same thing too, Tubebuddy does for you, which is really helpful. So if you want to look at sell coffee online, just the search itself, it's going to populate and tell you it's good to use. We really want to be over here in the great and excellent area in the green, but it's good. There's not there's a lot of search volume for it, so it tells you that, but the competition's a little bit tough. So you can play around with this. So maybe things have changed this year now that we're in COVID. So we're now selling coffee online 2021. Survey says, now see how that's a little bit better. It went from a 50 to a 60. So I can keep tweaking this title and playing with it until I get this into the green or where I want it, and then I can dominate that title and show up #1. But you got to make sure there's enough search volume for it that it makes sense for you. But in the beginning, this is a very powerful tool to help grow your YouTube channel. Hope you find it a blessing. If it has helped you, then please subscribe, please like, please comment on this video. Let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see, and I will help you out as far as anything concerned with marketing, e-commerce, YouTube, you name it, I'll do it. But just make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and that helps me be found in the algorithm by more and more people so that I can keep doing this and blessing you guys. I appreciate your time.